Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to go ahead and sell in multiple currencies on Odoo. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end, follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing we want to do is to go ahead and open up the official Odoo website right here, Odoo.com if you have not already. So if you have not done that, go there and it's going to open up this homepage. From the main page in the upper right corner, we can get started with logging into our account. If you do not already have an account, just go ahead and create one. So after logging in, this is going to be the main page. From this main page, we can get started. So here at the top of the screen, you have the configuration tab, site settings, and so on. And we can go and take a look right here in the official Odoo.com documentation page on how to use Odoo's multi-currency system. So choosing to use the multi-currency option in Odoo will allow you to send sale invoices, quotes, and purchase orders, or receive bills and payments in currencies other than your own. This is great if you have many customers from different countries, and here we can get started setting up and configuring it. So turn on multiple currency. In the accounting module, you're going to go to configuration and settings. So basically, as you can see right here at the top of the screen, we have the configuration option that's going to enable us to access our settings, but you need to be in the accounting module. Currently, I do not have a store website, so I cannot show you directly how it works, but if you have an accounting section for your website, which I do not have, you're going to be able to follow all the steps right here. So what I suggest for you to do, go to the official Odoo.com documentation page, get started with accessing Odoo's multiple currency system article right here, read about it in great detail, follow it step by step, and set it up for your website, and that's how it's done. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, take care, and bye.